Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So I'm back with another Leetcode Daily Challenge and it is Leetcode number 413 Arithmetic Slices. It is a medium level question and I also feel the same. So the question is an integer array is called arithmetic if it consists of at least 3 elements and if the difference between any two consecutive element is the same. For example, here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is arithmetic slice because here 1 and 3 have difference of 2 and 5 and 3 have difference of 2 and you need at least 3 number, even though if the last two number are not as difference of 2. Okay, then also this part is an uh, arithmetic slice part, but again this is also arithmetic slice part, this whole complete array also. Okay, similarly for this example, this is a complete slice, all have difference of 0, it is a difference of -4. Okay, so given an integer array num, return the number of arithmetic subarray of num. A subarray is a continuous subsequence of the array. Okay. If you see this first example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and all this element have difference of 1. Okay. So you have to take at least 3 elements. So first of all, we take this part. Second of all, we take this part, and third of all, we take the complete array. Okay. So the answer came out to be 3. Now here only one element is present, so the answer is 0, and the constant are quite small, that num length can go up to 5000 and nums I if are from -100 to +100. Okay, -1000 to +1000. So first of all, let me tell you, this is a DP based question, 1D DP based question. Okay, so just a second. Okay, so because here the need is to use a storage. Okay, when we need to use a storage and there is a need of using previous answer, so that's why we call this as DP, because it is okay. So let me explain you, it will be quite easy. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first of all, we check this three element. Okay, is it a DP? Yes, it is a so my count get updated to 1. Okay, means not count, like my count at ith position get 1. Okay, means if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, and if I take I is equals to 2, so it will be count of 2. Okay, so it will be count of 2, and I will take like something like I will check this 2 with 1. Okay, equals to 1, these two element and this two element in my code. Okay, so it is my I start from here itself because we need to take three element. So we take this part, so 2 is 1, then we again take this part. Okay, so my now current I is from here to here, so count of 3 is also 1. Okay, but here you can see that you can take the complete array. Okay, how? Because if these two are same, okay, and these two are same. Okay, and it's this three's previous element is giving you something. Okay, it means that this part also same. Am I right or not? Like if these two difference are same and these two difference are same, then you have taken the incremental part now, 1. And if now these two part are same and this 2 and 3 are difference is same, that means this 2 and 1 are also difference is same. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to add here the count of this 2 again. Okay, so and for this part, if I increment the count of 1, so it will be count of 1 is nothing but 0 and count of 0 is also 0. Okay, it is the base conditions, it is 0 and count of 1 is again 0. Okay, so you get a answer. This part this part and this complete part. So your final answer will be 3. And at final you need to take a variable, let's say sum, and every time you iterate through the elements you need to add the count part in the sum, cnt part in the sum. So first of all it is count of 2, then count of 3. Okay, my count of 2 is come out to be 1 plus count of 1, which is 0, is equals to 1. And my count of 3 is 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. So it will be 1 plus 2, which is come out to be 3. Okay. So this is the complete case. As you see that we need a element, like for ith element we need to increment by it 1 if it matches, and also we need to add its previous version. Okay, previous part means I minus 1 part. Okay, like here 2, for 2 it is 1, and count of 0 and count of 1 is 0, because it is a base case, because we cannot consider a single element 2 or 2 element, we need at least 3 element. Okay, that's why I have write it down here 0. So in my code I have represent this cnt variable as dp. Okay, if you see here I represent this cnt as dp, and I, as I told you, I will take it from the 2. Okay, I initially initialize all the elements from 0, and I from 2, and I check if my I and I minus 1 is 1, means if my I is 2, then I check if its difference and its previous element difference is same, means this 2 and this 2 difference is same. If it is, then I will do 1 plus dp of I minus 1, as I show you here. Okay, show you here, and then I finally submit add it to our sum variable. Okay, like this one. Okay, one by one it will go through the loop, and one by one it will add xcnt, means dp of 2, dp of 3, then dp of 4, till n. Okay, and I just finally return my sum. Okay, return the sum, because we need our exact count. Okay, all our count. So let me submit it. Okay, it is accepted. So I hope you understand the code and the concept, and I will see you tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.